Did you know that first impressions are made within the first 7 seconds of meeting someone? That's right, just 7 seconds can determine how likable you appear to others. But what if you could instantly capture their interest and make them like you even more? We are revealing 10 powerful conversation starters that will make you unforgettable in any social setting. Initiating a conversation can be nerve-wracking, especially when you want to make a good first impression. Many of us struggle with finding the right words to break the ice, but making a great first impression is crucial. It sets the tone for the entire interaction. So how do we overcome this challenge and become more likable from the get-go? Use these 10 conversation starters and watch your likability skyrocket in any social setting. 1. Inquire about their hobbies. Ask, what do you enjoy doing in your free time? Or you can ask, do you have any hobbies or activities you enjoy doing? 2. Share a fun fact. Did you know that octopuses have 3 hearts? 2 pump blood to the gills while the 3rd pumps it to the rest of the body. Or you could say, here's a fun fact I learned recently. Did you know that a single bolt of lightning contains enough energy to toast 100,000 slices of bread? How about that? 3. Ask about their weekend plans. For example, you could say, so any exciting plans for the weekend? Or you can ask, how was your weekend? Did you do anything fun? 4. Compliment their style. I love your outfit. Where did you get it? Or you could say, those shoes are fantastic. They really suit you. 5. Be playful. Here's a fun one. If you could have any superpower, what would it be? Or ask, if you could be any animal, which one would you choose? 6. Ask for a recommendation. Do you have any favorite restaurants around here? Or you could say, I'm looking for a good book to read. Any suggestions? 7. Comment on the setting. Isn't this place great? Have you been here before? Or you can ask, what do you think of this event? 8. Show interest in their work. Ask, what do you do for a living? Or, how did you get into your line of work? 9. Ask about their travels. Have you traveled anywhere interesting recently? Or ask, what's the best place you've ever visited? 10. Discuss mutual interest. I noticed you like music. Me too. What's your favorite band? Or you can say, I see you're into dancing. How did you get started with that? Here's the key insight. Simple conversation starters like these can significantly boost your likability and make social interactions smoother. They show that you're interested, approachable, and engaging, all qualities that make people want to get to know you better. Now it's your turn. Try out these conversation starters and let us know how it goes in the comments below. We want to hear from you. Check out these other videos that use psychology to help you in your everyday life. Please subscribe for more social tips and tricks.